G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is February the 17th, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. Special request, someone wanted a quick update on it for today. So we did an update a few days ago on this vertical bar. The stochastic was still declining. There was a slight price increase off that, bounce off that support area. However, on the daily, the CCI is still well below its moving average, but it's starting to turn up. On the 4-hour chart, you'll notice it's broken through the moving average. So I want to see that moving average start breaking up and turning green in an upswing more positively. On the hourly, also on the 4-hour, you'll notice the stochastic is broken up through the oversold, so that's a positive sign. On the hourly, you'll notice the CCI has been in an upswing for some time. And the stochastic is broken up through the overbought territory, so just be mindful of a potential retrace to the downside. So at the moment, I'd suggest cautiously, wait for this 4-hour chart, 4-hour CCI to start turning positive into an upswing green line before taking any further positions in going long. But again, just be mindful of a potential retrace to the downside as per this stochastic reaching the overbought territory. But if you look at the bigger picture as well, just be mindful it's still in a pretty strong downtrend until we see that daily closing the gap between the moving average and the CCI, and then ultimately starting to turn up if it does. So again, if you understand how to trade the average down approach, reference the playlist at the end of the video, or reference some of the links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends if the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating. And if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing and speak to you in the next video.